What's up? Good afternoon. It's currently almost 6 p.m. Me and Bryce just got done playing frisbee golf. You don't want to lose the disc. Okay, yeah, that's down there. We're gonna go to Vegas. He found a 1992 white Honda Elite 80. The people said they do $1,200 in cash. I just got out of the shower, so my hair's still drying. And we got the money from the bank. We're about to go. We're gonna take my friend Kenny's car. I'm not sure if he's ever made an appearance on the YouTube before. He has a Subaru Legacy. It is, what's it called? It's like color shift. It's color shift. And he has a 200cc moped as well as a moped trailer. So we hit him up and he said that he's leaving to go up north tomorrow and that he'd be down to do it tonight. So it's about 2.5 hours one way. So it's about 5 to 6 hours of driving, and we're gonna leave at 6 in the evening because right now it's like 5:55. So we're about to take off. We left the house and we're walking over to Kenny's house because we live in the same neighborhood. So here's the whip that we're going to be taking down to Vegas. Yeah, this one here on the corner. And then here is his scooter trailer, which is perfect. Legacy. This is Kenny, he's the GOAT. And yeah, he's driving to Salt Lake tomorrow and he offered to take us down tonight. What up, Kenny? Ready? We're so ready. I'm filming a YouTube video and so you're a part of this. I'm just showing them your car. We are north of Mesquite, snack fill up, and we're about to hop back on the road. So we're off the exit boulevard. We're off the exit in Vegas. We're at exit 0 Anasazi Drive in Summerlin, which is apparently a nice area. My hair is all up in my face. We're driving with the windows down even though it's almost 90 degrees at, well, this is 9 o'clock for us, but Vegas is in a different time zone, so 8 o'clock. And we're about to do a quick little gas station stop, and then we're gonna run up the bike and go through with the transaction. And these cars are driving. Okay, quick gas station stop. Now we're gonna go to the scooter. We're like, what, like 5 minutes away?
Yeah. 2 minutes away, actually.
2 minutes, okay. Yeah, we're super close. We just needed one more stop just because the buying process might take a sec.
You got a screen?
Oh.
Yep.
The white Elite 80.
Yeah. Hey, look at you guys. Hey, how's it going?
Scooter's all tightened down on the back of the Legacy. And we're good to hit the road and head back up. The tires look good, dude. I'm jealous.
Right? They might be a little old. I don't think they're
We only getting started. Yeah, I got the light. He got the light. We got the light. What you know about it? So much light. More light than a spike in your power bill. Or a match when it strike, we devour ill. They don't know how to feel. Their minds cripple, mental gangbangers. Never saw losers, but we game changers. Rearrange strangers with the written next mission. Bring the light to your home, electrician. I've been grinding since the basement. If you know, you know, man, you not adjacent. I'm in a league of my own. My soul speaking through poems. Both your speakers are blown for my songs. Let's get it on. I'm ready for the challenge. The dichotomy of dark and light is all about balance. Life's never perfect.
This is so funny.
bobbing.
The guy behind us was like, what the hell are they doing?
Dude, I felt that underneath my foot.
Yeah. It hurts. Take your parking ticket with you.
For how long? 0 to 24 hours. $35.
Is that the flat rate?
Well, too late now.
Well, Time to go win it all. Time to go win all that money. Ooh, smells like Vegas. Look, there's little garages in here. Lots of nice cars. Yeah, dude, the Vegas parking garage car spotting goes insane. This is so funny. So we finally got a parking spot. The scoop might need a little bit of a tighten. It probably found its place a little more. It looks like the front wheel. No, that didn't go up at all. Let's see. But yeah, we're in this very, very low to the ground parking garage, and we're gonna go gamble at the casino because this is the U.S. and we're in Vegas, and you can just do that. Oh, dude, the wrap looks so good in here in this crazy lighting. Okay.
Oh boy,
Oh hell no. That's making me, I'm getting vertigo just looking at that. What on earth? Look, there's an In-N-Out.
Oh no way we could just eat dinner.
Did you just walk around here? Dude, look at the rolls, dude. This shit is so cool. Is it? I think it's this blue building across the street. Is it? Ooh, what is this, dude? This looks cool. All right, off to the casino. Time to gamble. We're under the... Look, they got like 50 people in each one. Dude, it's huge. It's gigantic. The hell? Yeah, we're lost. Oh, we're stupid. Seriously, could you imagine in the daytime? It'd be terrible.
Yeah, this feels good with pain.
No, right? It's definitely the movie. We found In-N-Out. What the...
When the line's shorter than the one.
Yeah, right? Oh, dude, that's insane. When you need a new GTX 4090. Oh no. We out of here. I'm so out of my element here. Lots of people compliment the shirt. You already know. Disco show. They're gonna go. We on our way out. So many people.
The candy shop. Oh, it's windy. It's like bigger than a softball, dude. Yeah, we're in this crazy candy place. We went upstairs to hump the window. They got lots of gummy shit. Delicious.
So we won huge at the casino. We were $1 million up at one point, but lost it all. And so we're walking back around this area because we need food.
It wasn't worth it.
And we're begging for money.
And we're begging for money. Found the world's most secretive elevator in the world's scariest back rooms. All right, guys, time to start jumping. The dog relief area.
There's a camera in here. It's stuck in here.
Oh!
I don't like how motion sick I got.
An aggressive start and stop to be a long elevator ride for 2 floors.
Yeah, there's that orange Mustang.
Yep, there he is, a Hot Wheels looking car. And then, were we around? I feel like we were around that side. Yeah, because we're like across here. Oh, yep, there's the scoot.
Yes.
Still locked up.
Is this?
Check out that, the wrap.
Because it's long.
Yes. Oh, flash. All right, we are back in the Legacy. Time to get out of the world's most confusing little parking garage and go get some grub because we're famished and we need some Dave's Hot Chicken. Now we're about to hear some noises from the car. Here.
Right.
Like try and like take the gate. Hold it in
I'm
the
swinging
verse.
it, bro.
You're swinging it.
Oh,
It was less bad. It was less
It's
bad.
true. It's true. It's better.
Now I gotta swing it this way.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh,
Nice.
good.
Huge. We can bounce. Holy shit. Nino. We're trying to get on that freeway. Yeah. Don't crash. Don't go crazy and crash. I think it's the self-driving cars. Those are so scary,
Autonomous
dude. The
test
Waymos.
vehicle.
We found Bryce's car.
The student driver.
What is this? Oh my
Oh
goodness,
my
what? It's got an LS in it.
Keep honking.
Keep what?
Honking.
What? We've made it to Dave's Hot Chicken. We're restrapping the moped because it was leaning just a little bit. It was okay, it just looked scary. And yeah, we're in this place we're at the corner of Craig Road and Scott Robinson Boulevard, so North Las Vegas homies, shout out. There's a Shake Shack and a Zupa's and a Red Lobster, so you know it's like a nice area. But there's also a Burger King. So we'll see. We're at Burger King with our Burger Queen. Right now it's like, what, like 11 o'clock here? Or like, yeah. Good Vegas trip.
Middle of nowhere.
We made it to Mesquite. So halfway point back home. Kenny's doing good. Hitting some stretches. Scooter's not going anywhere. Bryce just wandered off without saying a word. So all in tip-top shape. It's like midnight now. For us, it's like 1 a.m. Yeah, he's got that fitment. Yeah, we're getting closer though. Got Raising Ballers, Diesel Life, and I Heart Cowboys. Nothing but bangers. Back that thing up. Should I get this for the Z? How much is it? Does it say? Larger $6. Jeez. We've made it to Cedar City Maverick, where it all began. Got the bike.
Greasy as hell.
It's got this mysterious film all over it, as if it's been like wet. It's like, yeah, like the whole thing is like oily. It's like you got like non-stick cooking spray
It's been repainted or
and hit the whole bike. There's a couple mysterious things, but overall mechanically solid. Cosmetically questionable? Not really questionable. That's your toolkit.
Dude.
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow. It's like the funniest toolkit. Mine's got it too. It's pretty... I feel like it's about 50-50 if you get the toolkit.
I don't like how there's like no cover right there, but
Right? Well, at least the wires are easy to access.
yeah.
You switch anything out. But yeah. It has made it all the way back from Vegas. We've got like, I don't know, 4 minutes. We all live at the same place, so it's not much more driving. But the car is getting full. It did the whole thing on one tank. From Cedar City to Las Vegas and all over Las Vegas and back.
I'm gonna see how much the trip costs.
Right, time to see how much the total comes out to. $57.03 for a round trip to Vegas.
Actually, didn't get bad gas mileage.
Solid. Yeah, like
We
good
got, like,
gas
24 on the
mileage.
way.
Well, to think about how many miles we probably drove, like over 400, like 400 to 500, like that's a lot. That is solid. Super Legacy for the win. Inline flat 6. All right, let's wrap this up. Time to go home. Here, show me your phone. What time is it? 3:12 in the morning. Scooter's free. So Bryce is flying around right now, and we owe a million favors to Kenny. We just walked the 1 block over from his place to our place. And I gotta be honest, I am so jealous because the white looks so good. Bryce is flying. Dude, the white looks so good. It looks so good. My phone is so happy to film at nighttime. As you guys are well familiar. We're here at a very familiar site. The Honda Beat. Me and Bryce were out frisbee golfing today. That's how the day started. And here we are now with our 5th Honda. Between the two of us, we have 5 Hondas now. It wasn't supposed to go this way, but this is how it turned out. They look good together though, like the two of them. But yeah, there's some weird funky stuff with the ignition where you can take the key out and the bike still runs. So might be a little bit of a project, a little bit of work, some stuff to look into. But we've got 2 Elite 80s now in the garage. But it is 3:20 something, almost 3:30 in the morning. Yeah, and the ignition is, yeah, Bryce is checking it out. Maybe needs some brake clean or something, who knows. But that is going to have to be the end of this video because I've got nothing left. I've got no energy, I've got no screen presence. Here's a Z, there's the Civic, here's the Beat, and the scooters. And tomorrow we're definitely gonna go ride them around a whole bunch. I'll see when this video gets edited and put out. As of right now, thank you so much for watching. Peace.